You ever had that sinking feeling right after you hit submit on your visa application, wondering if you missed something crucial? Yeah, that was me last year. I was staring at my screen, heart pounding, thinking, did I forget to add the right insurance proof? Am I about to get rejected because of this? Applying for a visa feels like walking a tightrope sometimes. There's this whole stack of paperwork, and insurance always seems like the sneaky detail that can either make or break everything. For me, it wasn't just about getting a stamp on my passport. It was about the stress, the what-ifs, the what if I get stuck abroad without coverage. So, here's the real deal. Many people think any travel insurance will do, but when it comes to visa applications, it's not just about having insurance. It's about having the right insurance that meets specific embassy requirements. I learned this the hard way after my first visa application got delayed because my insurance didn't cover emergency medical evacuation. Crazy, right? I thought, isn't all insurance basically the same? Spoiler alert, no, it's not. I remember calling the embassy, trying to understand what exactly they needed. The person on the other end was super helpful but blunt. They told me to double-check my policy's coverage details, especially the limits on medical expenses and evacuation. That's when I realized it's not just about buying insurance off the shelf. You have to read the fine print and match it with the visa's specific criteria. Here's something that might surprise you. Some embassies require coverage of at least 30,000 euros or equivalent. Others want your insurance provider to have a local presence or be internationally recognized. And if your policy doesn't tick those boxes, they won't accept it, no matter what. Now, the emotional twist. I was on the verge of canceling my entire trip once because I was afraid I wouldn't get the visa in time. I felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and honestly, a bit helpless. But then I found a way to fix this without starting from scratch or spending a fortune. I discovered a little hack that made all the difference. Use a specialized travel insurance provider that offers visa-compliant policies. Not just any provider, but one that understands embassy requirements inside and out. This meant I could get insurance that ticks all the boxes fast and without the usual back and forth. That's when I came across Auras.insure. I wasn't expecting much at first, but they actually made it super simple. The site helps you pick insurance plans that are specifically tailored for your visa type, so you don't have to guess if your policy fits or not. It's like having a checklist built into your insurance purchase. What I love about Auras is that it's not just about selling insurance. They guide you through what embassies want. That saved me hours of confusion and stress. And when I finally got my visa, I remember breathing out so deeply, feeling like a huge weight lifted off my shoulders. If you're about to apply for a visa, here's a quick tip. Don't just buy any travel insurance. Check exactly what your embassy requires: medical coverage amount, evacuation, provider recognition. Then, get insurance from a trusted source that confirms it's compliant. That little extra step can save you from delays or worse, denial. Honestly, this hack changed my whole experience. Instead of worrying endlessly about insurance paperwork, I focused on packing my bags and planning my trip. Because the last thing you want is your dream travel plans to get stuck on something you could easily fix. So yeah, getting a visa without insurance problems isn't just possible. It can be straightforward and stress-free. Just make sure you have the right coverage from the start. And if you want to skip the headache, I truly recommend checking out Auras.insure. It's the personal travel insurance hack I trust whenever I plan a trip abroad. No gimmicks, just real help when you need it most. Safe travels.